me teach you how to make thumbnails, very nice thumbnails with just your phone and a free app called InShot. Your thumbnails, that's what somebody will see, the picture somebody will see for them to click on your video. So you go on your InShot. If you don't have an InShot, then and you are a content creator, especially if you are a beginner content creator, you don't need to pay for CapCut. You can use this InShot, the free version of InShot. So we are going to be reading some image to make our thumbnail. Okay, so you go to the grid. First I went to photos and I went to grid. We are going to pick like 3 images, but you can pick 4 or 5, it depends. But I want this to be very standing out very well. I don't want them to be too packed, so I'm going to pick 3 images. And then this is the layout. Click on the layout and then you can choose how you want the image to be. If you want it anyhow you want it, you can just choose. You can see now how they are. You can see some of the boxes are 4. If you want 4, it will show. I'm going with this image. So we are picking this image for this. So now we are going to enhance it a little bit. So you go on your canvas. This now we are going to pick a ratio. Your canvas is where you choose your ratio. Since it's for Facebook, we are going to be using, there are a lot of canvas you can use, the ratios you can use. Since we are posting for Facebook, we are going to use this 1 by 1. This 1 by 1 or this 1 by 1 is okay. 1 by 1 you can post that one or even on YouTube or Instagram and it will be okay. So we are going to now adjust it. We will press the adjust. If you want it, if it is too dark, you will lighten it up a bit. You push it to 7, 16 or 10 is even okay. Then we go to the saturation and then we make it higher. Now you see how beautiful it is now. Who wouldn't click on this image when they see it? So you can also color grade it. You can choose the color that you want, but I'm not going with any color because it's already okay. But so now we are going to sharpen our image. Don't forget to sharpen your image. Always do that. And all this is on their free version. This is the free version of InShot. If you don't know about InShot and you are a content creator, I would suggest you do that. And for text, they have the text bar there. So we are going to write something on it. This is a fashion inspiration. So we will be writing Ankara fashion inspiration. Yeah, I want it has to be bold, so that as soon as someone sees it, they will know. So you click on the fourth sign over here, those dashes, those lines. Click on it so you can adjust the writing. We reduce the T, those 2 T's. We're going to reduce it, and when we click on the color sign, which will give us our font, the fonts that we need. You can use this one. You can just play around with them. Choose the one you like and go for it. You can use this one, you can use the other one. They are all nice. Just make sure it is bold. It is bold. Anybody that sees it will be able to read what is on your screen. So thumbnails are very important. So now we are going to be exporting it, and that is it. You have your image ready for use. As soon as it's finished downloading, it is going straight to your gallery, so you can use it. Like this and save this for next time. Thank you.